Are you feeling the energy, EEE students? Because the countdown is officially on. The final project presentation for Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Fall 2024, is happening this June 28th, right here in Dhaka. This is the day when all your hard work, late nights, and bold ideas come alive. Imagine this. Animated circuits pulse with life, robots whir to action, and power systems light up with innovation. These aren't just class assignments, they're solutions to real-world challenges. Whether you've engineered smarter grids, designed next-gen communication tech, or brought AI into the heart of electronics, your project is a piece of tomorrow, today. I know the nerves are kicking in. Presenting to faculty, friends, and maybe even future employers, that's a big deal. But remember, this is your moment to shine. Keep your story clear. What's the problem you solved? How did you tackle it? And why does it matter? Use visuals, diagrams, animations, and prototypes to make your ideas jump off the screen. Make it simple, make it powerful, and above all, make it yours. EE isn't just about equations and hardware. It's about building a smarter, more connected world. Your project could be the spark that powers the next breakthrough. So, are you ready? Are you ready to showcase ingenuity, creativity, and the real impact of your engineering journey? The big day is coming fast. Mark your calendar for June 28th and get ready to inspire. This is more than a presentation. This is the start of your future. Let's make it unforgettable. Countdown's on. See you at the showcase.